Hi guys, Al here. Out here in the garage playing around again, and I have the windows in for the truck. They've only thing that I got this week. I got the glass in the doors. I still have to put the adhesive into the track here, right here. I still have to do that, but I don't want to open the adhesive until everything else is ready. So hopefully sometime today. I haven't been working on it much lately because it's hard to get the stuff I need. So I ended up cleaning up the garage and my work shed out back and just basically getting the house ready for summer. Usually takes a couple of weekends every year to get it done. So I've gotten the pond up and running. I haven't started on de-weeding and cleaning out the winter garbage yet. That's another weekend. But yeah, I got a lot of gardening stuff to prep first, but I did get my sheds cleaned out. Yeah, I sure did make a mess this winter. So it took a few days to get this back organized. It's kind of small, so it's hard to do a lot of work in a little place without making a mess. But yeah, I'm going to try and get the windows in the truck this weekend, and I have electric fans and a transmission cooler coming, and as soon as they show up, I can start getting the motor ready to fire up. I can't do that until I get transmission fluid in the transmission, and got to get some oil and yeah, then fire it up and hopefully get it moving. It has brakes now, so that's good. And I'd like to thank Andy from Andy's Doghouse. He sent me a sticker. Actually, I've had it for a couple of weeks, but I wasn't sure how I was going to do stickers because as soon as this truck is done, I plan on painting the garage and giving it a good cleaning. So I figured I'll start sticking all the stickers I get on my signs and then just take them down every time I need to paint the garage because I really destroy it quick. So this way here I can just take the sign down when I paint and I don't lose my stickers. So that's Andy at Andy's Doghouse. Thank you, Andy. And I'd also like to thank Dave at Scott Rods. I wasn't sure what I was going to do. I had an idea, but I wasn't sure what I was going to do with for wipers on this thing. And somebody sent Dave some wiper motors for his car, and he had one of those little 12-volt, like a boat type wiper, and so he passed it on to me. And that's Dave at Scott Rods. Thanks, Dave. It's going to be mounted on a board right up in the top there. I'm just going to put in one wiper for the driver. I'll probably never drive it in the rain, but I'm going to mount it up there, and then I have access to get at it. I just have to get the windshield in first before I can do that because the windshield swings out at the bottom, opens up, and I have to make sure everything's going to clear. I don't want to drill any holes up there and find out I put it a little too close for it to work right. So yeah, I'm just trying to find some place that's open where I can get some painter's tape to tape around the window frames here so I can glue in the windows. It's really hard to get stuff right now. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll do another update. Hopefully not so long. I'm a busy season right now for work, like crazy busy, so I don't get to play out here very much right now. But I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and leave a comment. I try to answer everybody. I'm sometimes slow at it, but I try to answer them all. Okay, and share with your friends. All right, next time.